altered it. I added a bowl with hot glue, right? It just had greenery down here. I pulled the greenery up, put a little up here behind the bow that I wanted, which is a buffalo print. I went to Dollar Tree, bought these cheap little pumpkins. They were like hanging on a ribbon, 3 of them. And with a football, I didn't like it, so I cut them all off and painted them white. So now I'm going to put them on here like that. Hopefully they stay. Need some more glue. Uh-oh, I'm making a mess. Trying to get more glue. So I just want to make sure they stay.
How long have you been here?
I've been outside decorating. Then I'll put this one here. And I left the ribbon so it'll be more secure. Hopefully that'll help you stay glued on. Right? And then this one will be the third one here. And I want to kind of cover up this imperfection here. So I'll bring it down just a little bit. So that means I need to put it on the corners. Are you recording right here?
Let's get that, Mom.
So it feels secure, so hopefully it is. And I took a permanent marker, and what I did with it, and I just painted the stems and I drew a little lines to give it a little bit more detail for pumpkins. Oh. Okay, that's it. I went into Hobby Lobby and I saw these pillows, boom, for $29.99. I refused to pay that. And at home, so I decided to go on Walmart to see if I found some fabric from TJ Maxx. So check out this savings I found. Boom! Yes, similar pattern, not to the exact. I can see what it looks like. So what I'm going to do now is, I got my tape measure. I'm going to measure my pillow, measure my fabric, cut it out, sew it, make my own pillow covers that I can change. Let me go ahead and get started. This is the after. And I eventually add other stuff for layers, like pumpkins. I'll be painting them white. And this is just me getting started because I'm super excited. Everything turned out so nice. Love it. When I will be creating cushions or chair pads for my wicker chairs and on my front porch. So I will be starting off by using mattress toppers. Yes, mattress toppers. I will be cutting out the seat of the chair with a mattress topper. So I went outside and I did a pre-cut. I should have took you guys along with me, but that's okay. I took a section of the topper and I went outside, not a real big piece. My neighbors would be like, what is she doing now? And I placed it in the chair and I started cutting out this. And this is a template that I got for the chair. Let's go over here in my little minimal space station. I have a video of that as well, so feel free to watch that. Stay in place while cutting. So now I have fabric shears, and I will start cutting. Just try to be close in with the scissors and what the scissors are actually doing. So you see, it's the same size. So this is the finished product. Nice, neat cushions with things that I already had. At the house. So it's pretty easy to take what you have. I made the pillows too, but